Hi, this is Lana Nguyen with the C21 Soul Team. I want to present you our latest listing at 2301 Sacramento Street in Berkeley, California. This 3-bedroom, 4-bath features over 1,700 square feet of newly remodeled hardwood floors. You gotta see it. Come on in and take a look inside.
This is Rich Kwok, and what I really love about this home is that you still got the feel of a house of this size with additional space upstairs and downstairs. You've also got some nice architectural touches such as the beautiful crown molding, casing, and also the custom vanities with built-in shelves. Now I'm in the kitchen, and one of the things that I like is that you've got an eat-in breakfast nook here, and yet you've also got the modern look of quartz countertops. You've got soft close cabinets, as well as new backsplash, stainless steel appliances, pull-down sink, and also premium gas stove, as well as a nice premium refrigerator.
The best part about this home is every bedroom has its own bathroom. So this is one of the first bedrooms. As you can see, it's freshly painted, recessed light. You have your crown molding, organizer, your own bathroom with a tub.
Now I'm in one of the guest bedrooms. As you can see, it's also got the mirror closets along with the closet organizers. You've also got this extra closet space in the bathroom for all of your towels, and you've got a large vanity with that custom sink, as well as a nice shower with custom shower doors.
We're in the master, and what I love is how large it is. You have mirrored closet with organizers, as well as crown molded and recessed lights. And then the bathroom is just right here with glass showers that is huge, and then this beautiful vanity. As you can see, it won't splash.
Now just downstairs, and you can even separate the space. You can see that we've decorated this as a game room, but you've also got a nice garage space here. Now you've also got a front entrance right here, so if you wanted to get additional income for renting it out, you could easily do that. This also features the same nice upgrades that you see in the top level, including plenty of recessed lights, new crown molding, as well as new paint. Now in the addition, you also have a bathroom that's also been nicely remodeled. You can see that the wall has custom tiles. This is the perfect space for a washer dryer hookup. And also you've got a nice new sink with vanity, as well as a nice shower with custom doors. There's even Cat5 networking cable throughout the home. All of the network wires run to the central closet here for easy connection.
You have this brand new finished garage with a new door, as well as brand new water heater. You can actually separate the water heater from the ADU if you want. Here as well is your main house. We are going to the backyard here, and as you can see, it's a corner lot with a large shed. You can do a lot of things with the backyard. There is a gate that you can open and have RV parking, boat, or additional parking for your vehicle. There is also a walkway that is paved already going to the front, and there is another door that goes to the main house. Thank you for taking the tour with us. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to message us.